Be careful with TV programming, man. TV programming programs the wrong things to your subconscious, man. We're starting to be subconsciously prejudiced. And it sucks, man. I was in a complex, what was it, Seminole Grand. This cute little white girl came up to me, drove up to me, excuse me. Where's visitors? What the fuck? But I wanted to be mad, but I was like, you know what, she probably has been running to me black people. Only time she see black people was on Channel 34, so you know I'm not even gonna get mad at her. So I'm sitting here looking at her with the gaze eyes, right? I guess she doesn't think that I know what she's saying. So she pulls out her iPhone and talks into Siri. How do you find visitors parking in black people language, right? Siri doing the same shit. I just stopped in the middle of LA. Look, visitors on the other side. Oh, you can talk like that? Yes. There's some other black people that sometimes talk like this. We're cool and we're grounded, all right? It's okay, I forgive you. All right, you didn't know. She drove off and she put the car in reverse, came back. I'm gonna make sure that I tell the others. Wow, great. This is great. See, everybody's learning. I do the same thing too when I play b-ball. I'm playing out Florida State with the white fellas, man. Right? You steal a ball, we going on a fast break. You accidentally pass it to the other black dude on the team. Subconscious racist. We try to say we all look alike. It's okay. Plus the media probably told you if you're on a fast break into a black guy, he'll finish. Don't feel bad. I did the same thing the other way around, man. I stole a ball in the fast break, passed it to the white guy. Oh, I'm sorry. You guys both had tank tops and flip-flops. I catch myself doing the same stuff all the time, man. Like that Publix on Ocala Street. Like, any of y'all ever went to the Chinese food section? No. Why not? It's the best shit. And you know why it's the best shit? It's wild. Chinese people ain't even making the food. They're Mexicans. They are murking this food. But I was so mad. I was prejudiced because I'm like, I usually see people on TV, me making Chinese food or Chinese. I'm sitting here with Chinese food like, you know what? This is good shit. God damn, what's this, General Tso's? That's General Caesar. God damn. That's a good ass General Caesar. I tried them too. Caesar, make me some collard greens and cornbread. Adios, míos.